Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is usdtsk.org. This is amazing project. The project is loading. I just open the link, and this is sign up screen. Let me show you how to sign up. Just first of all, you have to enter username, then enter your password, then please enter your password again, and the last one is invitation code. So I already registered to this application. I click on login. Click on login and type the email here. So this is my email account, mmp99, and the password is, and I click on logged in. So it says for password wrong password. Let me try again. So I just log into my application and my user ID is 11294. As you can see my email, and I am VIP1 level. So let's go to home screen. As you can see, the total asset is $0, and the USDT sk.org and this application. The company's latest recharge promotion, both new and old user can participate in this activity. A single recharge of $100 and get $5. Single deposit $500, you will get 25. For $1,000 you will get 60. For $5,000 you will get 350. For $10,000 you will get $800. So just click on confirm, and if you click on sign, you will get daily reward by signing this application. By calendar wise, I click on sign, and you will see I get 0.1 USDT, and this is my team. I just signed up, so I don't have team for now. I will add the link, my invitation link, in description. You can join using that link. So there are three levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, and this is my invitation link, and my code is 149857. I will add my description link. Let me show you how to deposit in this application. Just click on deposit, select your network. I will select USDT TRC20 and copy this address. I am adding 10 USDT in this application. So let me click on send, paste, and 10 USDT. Click on continue. After clicking continue, I have to confirm the transaction. As you can see, click on confirm, and this is for confirmation my security password, and the transaction is making. We have to wait to complete this transaction. 10 USDT I am sending to the application, the platform, and it will arrive within a minute. So the transaction is pending, the status is pending. Let me show you when this status is done. As you can see, the status is completed, and 10 USDT has been sent to the application. Let's go back to the application and check if the deposit is arrived. So the deposit arrives soon. Let me explain the other options until the deposit arrives. So this is withdraw. How to withdraw? You have to enter the transaction password, and then you have select your wallet and your fund transaction password. Click on submit. I will withdraw after 24 hours, so I am leaving that. If you click on register, I already registered. If I click on application, you can download the application, and this is the activity. All the activity perform limit time events, and this is about us, about USDT ORG, company profile, risk management, risk control, company law white paper, and common problems. All the details are mentioned here, and there are multiple investment plans. USDT fund 1 day, and this is 5 day, 10 day, 30 day, 60 day, 90 day, and all the investment plans. The global partner of Zirex, CoinDCX, Hobby Global, Coinbase, Binance, Bitmain, Tron, and OKX. So let's check if the deposit arrived. So I will invest in 1 day. In 1 day investment, daily interest rate 4%, daily income for $0.4, and minimum the amount is $10. Daily interest rate is 4.5%. In 5 day, 0.9 USDT daily income, and minimum amount is $20. And if I show you $10, daily interest rate 6%, daily income $6, minimum amount $100. Daily interest rate 8%, minimum amount 300 USDT, and the 24 USDT daily income. In 60 days 60%, $80 daily income. 90 day 26% interest rates to $60 daily income. And let me show you if the deposit arrived. I think so. The deposit isn't arrived yet. So this is investment. If I click on invest, I will invest in one of these plans. So I am waiting for the deposit arrive. So if I click on share, this is the link I share to my friend, and I will get the reward if they join using this link. And this is the live chat option. The Telegram USDT or sk.org _org. You can ask them any question. And this is my assets, total assets 0 USDT. As you can see, I just received $10. And let's go back to invest. I will click on invest, and I will invest in 1 day program. Just click on invest. After clicking invest button, you will see the daily interest rate 4%, daily income $0.4. I will click on invest and click on confirm. So as you can see, the top of the screen, successful purchased, and it will redirect to my investment. And this, you can see, the ongoing investment is 1 day. Let's go home screen. This is the investment transaction. You will see all the transaction about investment. Sorry, I wrong mistakenly. And the available balance now is 0.1 USDT, and $10 is invested. Principal $10, interest transaction detail. This is the transaction detail. And if I click go back, this is recharge record, a record about recharge. And this is withdraw record. I didn't withdraw yet. And the reward introduction. So there are 3 levels, and this is invitation link. And this is account setting. You can set the account from here. So that's all. I'm copying the link. That's all. Thanks for watching the video. I highly recommend this platform. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. It has been 24 hours. As you can see, I received my funds back. I received 4% commission, and let me show you. Let's go to my investment. So here you can see I invest 10 USDT yesterday, and the 1 day cycle has been completed. As you can see, the status done, and the income is 0.4 USDT. Now I will show you how to withdraw this amount. So click on withdraw this button, and it says please set transaction password. I will set the transaction password, 6-digit password. I will type 325 and click on modify, and password has been modified. Now I will click all and enter, select your wallet. First of all, you have to select your wallet address. Select plus button, and USDT TRC20. You must add USDT TRC20 or TRC20 network. So set as my default address and click on save. As you can see, operation is successfully. Now I will click on all and select my wallet address. This is the address, and type the password here. After typing the password, I will click submit. So withdrawal has been in progress. So let's see, the withdrawal arrived soon in my account. As you can see, withdrawal has been successfully submitted, and now I have 0.1 USDT in our account. Let's check the home page, the total assets. So the total asset was 10.5 USDT, and 10.4 USDT has been withdrawn, and I received the email address. As you can see, the deposit confirmed, 10.4 USDT. So thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.